Mt Hagen Police Station is currently as a project with regards to the installation of closed circuit television or CCTV cameras. This is one of the projects that we were thinking of, and we were just fortunate to have the partnership with the Australian Federal Police, which they are now looking at assisting us to install CCTV cameras in all the cell blocks that we have in Mt Hagen Police Station. Like the cell used to accommodate almost 100 prisoners, including remandees, here in the cells. So it's quite a huge number. So it's not only we accommodate Western Islands prisoners, but also we have other prisoners coming in from the Upper Highlands provinces, from Enga, as far as Post-Courier. They also bring the prisoners here. So it's sort of like a regional cell here in the islands. So in managing it, it's quite a memo task, because when you look at the kind of prisoners they come in, we have different prisoners which commit different crimes, like from trivial